Meaning of ikebana.
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 Ikebana. Ikebana is the Japanese art of flower arrangement, which involves arranging plant materials such as flowers, leaves, and stems in a manner that emphasizes form and balance. It is a disciplined art form that has been practiced for centuries and is deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Ikebana often incorporates elements like simplicity, asymmetry, and minimalism, and seeks to create arrangements that convey a sense of harmony between the natural world and human consciousness. The result is a stunning display of floral artistry that is both visually captivating and spiritually evocative.